With thousands of recipes and millions of views, why not subscribe to our channel and join the family?
Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. I'm going to make a really simple salad today. Tuna Mozzarella Potato Salad. Really easy. Just going to throw it together. Delicious. Let's go and do it. Okay, quick little salad today. So here I've got some green leaves. I've got a mixed green leaves. So there's some frisee in there, some oak leaves, whatever. You can just be using an iceberg or whatever you want actually. Potatoes, peeled and boiled those. As you can see, it's still a little bit hot. A little bit of onion, some nice Kalamata olives, tomato, some tuna. Try and use a nice quality tuna, canned tuna for this one. Some of them are not so great. Some mozzarella. That's mozzarella that's in a bag with water. That's nice and soft. It's not the kind of grated looking stuff. Bit of cucumber, some olive oil, some lemon juice, bit of salt and pepper. That's about it. We'll get this together. Okay, mixing bowl. My potatoes are in there. Like I said, they're still a little bit warm. Don't worry about that. Olive oil and lemon juice, roughly equal parts. I like to go 50-50 on those. Black pepper. A little bit of salt. Chopped white onion, just a little bit. Chopped tomato. Let's give it a mix. Nice bowl of green leaves, up to you what you want to use. Let's grab our potatoes and get them on there. Now you can be using any bits and pieces you like. Put some peppers in here, some corn, sweet corn or something like that. Up to you. Get that tuna in there on the top. Then we're going to go mozzarella around the side here. A fresh herb always works nice in here. Some fresh parsley, some fresh basil. Just throwing this together really quickly. Got some really nice olives. These Kalamata olives, which I think are really lovely. Again, you could be changing these to maybe some green olives or something. Think about maybe putting some capers in this, some anchovy. Bit more black pepper, and we're done. I've got a really nice little salad there. Super easy. See you later.
With thousands of recipes and millions of views, why not subscribe to our channel and join the family?